Welcome back to Josh's Smart Home. And if you're anything like me, you're deep into the Lutron Caseta ecosystem. And that's because you know they're rock solid. And today we're going to be diving even deeper into the Lutron Caseta because we're going to be installing 5 of the blinds in our dining room. These are smart blinds, and not just any smart blinds, Lutron Caseta. Today we're going to be getting these shades mounted, integrated with my second Lutron Caseta Smart Hub that I set up a couple weeks ago in that video. And we're going to be connecting everything into Home Assistant. So we have all the automations and all the voice control. And I wanted to give you guys a heads up about the brand new Lutron Caseta wood blinds. If you want that natural look with the wood blinds, but you want top of the line automation, these are the blinds for you. In our dining room, we're going to be installing some blackout blinds to really reduce the light. But if you want that more natural look, make sure you check those out. There's going to be a link in the description below. Also, I want to thank Lutron for offering me a discount on these blinds to install for this video for you. Now that I got all the old blinds down and the windows bare, it's time to put the new blinds up, and it's super simple. Since the blinds call for 2 inches at the side of each window, I made a little template based on some scrap that was in the box, so I can place this up here, put the bracket right beside it, and drill it in. So here I put the first screw in, and I put the second screw in, and that's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. First screw and the second screw. Now we have both brackets in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these blinds up here, slanted, and clip them into place. And once they're attached, we can use these buttons on both sides to lower it, and that allows us to put the batteries in and access the button to pair these. This size takes 4 D batteries, 2 on each side, but it depends on the size of the blinds you have, how many batteries you need. Once you put the batteries in, it begins blinking like that. And then once you're ready to pair them in the app, you go to the home you want to add them to, you hit add device, and you're going to pick the blinds option. And at this point, we hold this button for 10 seconds until it connects. And just like that, you can see it connected. And these are in the dining room. And this one is the left blind. And that completes the installation. So I hit I'm done, and I pop this back up. And then right in the app, we can lower this. So you can see I have the left blind up. I can tap that and move it down. And immediately it's moving down. And oh my goodness, these things are so quiet. I'm gonna have to let you listen to these in comparison to the other smart blinds we have in the house so that you get an accurate feeling of just how quiet these are. Now that we got these installed, I want to share the information with you in case you're looking to install these in your smart home. I'll stick the link in the description below where you can go directly to Lutron Caseta and get these blinds and have everything customized for your home. First off, I want to mention if you're doing the inside install like I did, what you're going to want to do is measure from side to side here and make sure you take several measurements and take the smallest because you don't want to have these dragging against the edge. You want to make sure there's enough room for them to slide up and down. And you want to go top to bottom, several different locations, and you want to take the longest. That way it goes all the way down to the windowsill if everything's not square in your home. Once you have the length and the width determined, you go into the website and you can check out all the different options. There's a lot of options. They have the wood blinds that are really popular now. They just came out. Make sure you check those out. And they have the blackout blinds as well as other varieties and a lot of color options too. And when you're looking at those, Lutron always recommends that you get one of the Pico remotes. So here's a Pico remote that I got. I put it on the stand here that I had, and it installs like this. And then you can just sit this around, or you can install this on the wall, or just lay it around if you like the remote being, fully accessible to everybody. If you put it on the wall, you can actually put the case around these, the trim piece, and it looks just like a switch that'd be on the wall. So it blends right in. It looks super sleek. And the reason they recommend having a Pico remote is because if everything else goes offline, you can still utilize these. Or if you have guests over and they don't know how to do anything with your blinds because you'd have to talk to a voice assistant or use a special app if you have it integrated a different way, or maybe you have an automation, this would override that. This will allow you to control them locally without any of the fuss for those that aren't in the know about your smart home. If you were watching my channel a couple weeks ago, then you know that I hit the 75 device limit for Lutron and had to go to a second hub. I already have about 16 devices on the second hub, including the blinds and Pico remotes for this room. And here's what it looks like inside the Lutron Caseta app once you go into the device. And you can hit the button and close the blinds and they will go all the way down. You can stop them wherever you want. You can pause it and move it back up. And you can even just adjust based on the bar over here on the left. So I can go down and pick a spot that I want, the percentage open, and it'll go right to that. But I like to integrate everything together in Home Assistant. And here you can see it integrates perfectly with Home Assistant from Lutron Caseta. And you can go into the device and even do the individual percentages just like you would in the Lutron app. So everything works perfectly in here, but there's a big bonus. And that is the full integration with your smart home that allows for all the automations. So in this instance, I can have after sunset by 20 minutes, all these blinds closed. But something I couldn't do in the Lutron app is have our alarm, our security alarm dictate when these things close down. So if all of us are away and it kicks into an away mode, I can close all the blinds. And that's exactly how I have it set up right now. It goes through, closes all the blinds in this room whenever the security alarm goes into away. And one other thing I want to point out about the Lutron Caseta shades, and that is how quiet they are compared to some of the other smart blinds that we have. And I have two other brands, so I'm going to do a test where I show you exactly how loud these are versus the other brands. So I have a monitor here that'll tell me the number of decibels. I'm going to set it on the max and track that. And then once I have that recorded, I'm going to bring it in front of the camera and show you exactly what it was. All right. So I recorded it and I put it on hold, and you should be able to see it's 55.4 decibels here. So let me go and show you what the other blinds record on the same device. So here's the next one. I'm going to put it on max again once I stop speaking, and then I'm going to put this down and then I'll hold it and show you what that is. And this one recorded exactly 60 decibels, so definitely louder than Lutron. Let's check the third one. And we'll do the same procedure here, so let's get started. And this one was definitely the highest, 69.8 decibels, so much louder than the other two, but Lutron Caseta is super quiet. Let me just give you an example. The example I want to show you is when I'm just standing here talking, I'm hitting 70 couple decibels. So all of the blinds are about that or less, but Lutron Caseta is substantially less. A lot of times nobody even notices they're going up and down. They are so quiet. Having these Lutron Caseta blackout blinds totally transform this room and block out tons of light when it gets super bright during the day. Let me know in the comments section what you think of these, or if you prefer their wood blinds that are definitely a great option as well. Also, like I said, I have the link in the description below, so check that out. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss future content. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.